Welcome to Unleashing Your Digital Marketing Potential, the ultimate handbook. At BizIQ, we unlock the secrets of successful digital marketing for small businesses everywhere. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying ahead of the game is crucial. That's why we're here to empower you with the knowledge and skills to conquer the ever-evolving realm of digital marketing. Plus, we have successfully serviced thousands of clients, so we know a thing or two. It's our mission to guide you through the complex world of digital marketing, providing you with actionable strategies that drive real results. So without further ado, let's get into today's topic, our best digital marketing tips and tricks for beginners. Tip number 1, mastering the art of audience research. Just like a painter needs to know their canvas, as a digital marketer, you need to know your audience. Research their demographics, interests, behaviors, and pain points. This will help you tailor your content and strategies to connect on a deeper level. Tip number 2, harnessing the power of social media. Social platforms are like your marketing playground, offering direct access to potential customers. Choose platforms where your target audience hangs out. Create engaging content and interact with your followers. Remember, authenticity and consistency are key. Tip number 3, unleash the potential of visual content. In a world of scrolling and swiping, captivating visuals can make all the difference. Craft eye-catching images, create engaging videos, and use graphics to simplify complex information. Visuals not only grab attention, but also help convey your message effectively. And here's a bonus trick for you, the power of email marketing. It's like having a direct line to your audience's inbox. Collect email addresses through signups, giveaways, or subscriptions. Then, send personalized, valuable content that keeps your audience engaged and informed. So there you have it, digital trailblazers. These 3 tips and bonus trick are your launchpad to success in the digital marketing world. Thank you for joining us on this digital marketing journey. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. And if you found value in this content, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. Have a question or a topic you'd like us to cover? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're looking for even more digital marketing resources and personalized guidance, be sure to visit our website at www.biziq.com. Our team of digital marketing consultants are standing by, and you can book a digital marketing strategy session at no cost. Every minute that you wait, you're leaving money on the table. Thank you for joining us on today's episode of Unleashing Your Digital Marketing Potential, the ultimate handbook.